I know, it's from rubbing on the wheel. Oh, well, bracket I don't have, but a plate coming I do.
Yeah, like, what's it called?
Racer?
Racer?
I do have a weapon.
Where?
Right on this plate.
I'm gonna take it real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Colorado?